Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage, and today we're making egg mayonnaise. This mayonnaise is a really old traditional recipe, and what we need is 1 clove of garlic, half a lemon. We want 2 fresh egg yolks. And you don't get fresher than this. This was laid today. One egg. Half a teaspoon of caster sugar. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And now all we need to do is add the oil slowly as we're blending that up. Now, because of the type of blender I have, and it's the only blender I have, I can't do that. So I'm going to add about 100 ml, blend it up, and then add another 100 ml, blend it up, add another 100, and then the last one. So blend in between each 100. Otherwise, if you are able to add the oil slowly as you're blending so it's a nice smooth consistency, then that's what you really ideally want to do. That was the first blend. We'll add some more oil in. And we'll keep doing that until we're done. So that's my egg mayonnaise. I'll leave the recipe in the description below if you'd like to make it. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I always love to hear from you. This egg mayonnaise will keep up to a month in the fridge in a sterilised jar with a lid on it. But I don't think it'll last that long here, that's for sure. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.